Hello YouTube. Let's have a look at some of these cells that we got from the last 13 packs and see how they compare to each other and their original specs. The pen I seem to have used is starting to rub off, so I've got to be careful here. I'm going to start with Samsung cells because I prefer the Samsung. I kind of like the colours and they always seem to give me pretty good results. Right, so my quick search online didn't earth much in the way of differences between the 22Fs and 22Hs. Both got a capacity of 2,200 milliamps. Discharge wise 2C. Couldn't find anything on the 22Hs. They seem to be bundled together. So I'm not going to delve any further. I'm not going to be discharging these at more than say half an amp per cell max at any one time, so I don't see a problem with using these together. I'm just going to have a quick look to see what we got. Right, so comparing the top and the bottom of each pack, basically we've got a 1919 and we got a 1997. And top end we got a 2150 and we got a 2197. So on the whole the 22Hs have fared better than the 22Fs. But they're still going to go in the same pack together, so it's not going to hurt. That's quite a big difference though, 1990 to 2150. But you could say it was an equal, difference, but still, they've got, sort of 90% of their capacity still. Yeah, they're going in the pack. Next up we have the Samsung ICR 18650 22Es, once again with a 2,200 milliamp capacity, in this case ranging from 1907 milliamps to 2032. These were badly damaged when they came out of the pack. The glue just took off the heat shrink. So yes, they are going in the pack. Last up for the Samsung is the ICR 18650 26C, 2600 milliamp capacity. Maximum discharge current 5,200 milliamps, basically 2C. In this case, we range from 2,467 milliamp down to 2,323 milliamps. So of course, yes, they're going in the pack. When I say going in the pack, it doesn't mean necessarily they're going in the same pack. We'll sort out different capacities when it comes to it. Also, got to clean some of these up, remove some of the gunk so they actually fit in the holders, and possibly order some more holders because I'm running low. Next up we've got two sets of Sanyo cells. We've got 6 green top and 4 purple top. These 4 came from a 4-cell pack, and these 6 came from a 3S 2P configuration. Going by what they say on the forums, we're looking at across these two between 2.3 amp hour and 2.25 amp hour, and none of them are anywhere close to that. Green top, we're looking at 824 milliamps all the way up to 1234, and the purple top we're looking at 1193 up to 1358. So whilst there might still be life in these, and these didn't actually get warm whilst they were charging, these may not actually make it into a good pack. They might, however, make it into a pack to see how lower quality cells cope with being worked next to higher quality cells. So let's see what we've got next. Right, so the only laptop battery containing unbranded cells we got are these obscure, well, they look kind of like Samsung-esque. I don't know if they're going for that. The numbers on it, which don't return any searches online, are ASO FJ 1122 1 EG 811679. SZN, that could be where they were manufactured. Anyway, The only information I can find on them is somebody posted a link to some cells on Alibaba, and they're showing up as 1900 milliamp cells. And if it is that, then obviously they're performing pretty well, going from low end of 1846 up to 1997. So I doubt it, but still, yeah. So they will be included in one of my packs. Right. So next up are the Sony US 17670 GRs. Not really much to be found on these except for a couple of entries on forums that I could see on a quick search, but it's showing 2200 milliamps, which I'm a bit skeptical about. But anyway, we're going between 1479 and what is that? I've rubbed it off. That was the highest one. 1683. So despite their small size, they're still going to go in the pack, because my minimum cutoff level for cells is 1400 milliamps currently. I'm pretty sure we can get some more life out of these. Got to mention the second pack of 17670s, ranging from 1481, oh, it's in the wrong place, up to 1664. Right, next up are the US 18650 GRs. Advertised at around 2550 milliamps, so some of these have definitely had the best part of their life, ranging from 1442 up to 1725. Wrong place. Last up, we've got 12 SE US 18650 GRs. Apparently have a rating of 2200 milliamps, and they're ranging between less than half at 1046 milliamps up to 1831 milliamps, with the majority of them being above 1700. So yeah, I think I'm going to be putting a few of them into my pack, maybe not the lower 2 or 3. So let's get some holders and have a count up. So this is what it's going to sort of look like if I produce the packs in the capacity ratings that I'm thinking of doing. Looking at our low packs on the left, anything between, I know I've got a couple of 1350 milliamps in here, but you know, they might stay in, they might go out, depending on numbers. So we're looking at 1350 to sort of mid 1600s, and we're looking mid 1600s to 1990-ish milliamps, and then over here we're looking at sort of 1990-ish milliamps up to the max. Some of these cells are absolutely, I think some of these pink cells are amongst the best cells that I've got so far, and I haven't got many. So what I'm going to do is say we lose 9 cells for now. We lost, I think, 6 in the initial test from another pack which were completely dead. They've gone to the draw of shame. So what I'm going to do is leave this video here. This is what we've obtained from 13 laptop batteries. What I'm going to do is make an attempt, if I can find all of my little cell holders, to do a reveal video to show you what I've achieved so far in terms of testing and sorting out cells. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I've included as much information as possibly can. I've just got in from work, so I've just done it off on the fly. So let me know what you think, and I will see you soon. Cheers.